They say that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. So why is it that the majority of people only have one? In this video, I'm going to tell you not only why is it so important that you should have multiple streams of income, or at least start building multiple streams of income, but I'm also going to give you an opportunity to start an additional income stream today. Hey, what's going on, guys? Marvin here. Welcome back to another video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also, if you're interested in joining a free Facebook group regarding Amazon wholesale, I have one down in the description, along with my Instagram, my second channel, and free trainings down there for you guys that I think are really going to help you. Now, you are going to want to stay until the end of the video because, like I said, I am going to tell you about an easy way for you to start building an additional income stream today. So regardless if you have a full-time job or an online business, I think everyone should be looking at adding additional income streams to their life whenever they can. And the reason is very simple. If you solely rely on one income stream, then you live and die by that one income stream. And if that one income stream were to disappear tomorrow, what are you going to do? What's your family going to do? All of those bills still need to be paid. You still need to be able to put food on the table. So having and relying on one income stream, in my opinion, can be very dangerous. And having a 9-to-5 job may seem more secure, but people get fired every single day. And most of them don't expect it or see it coming. Those people that get fired and only rely on that one income stream are left completely scrambling, and they have no direction and no way of making money in the foreseeable future. I know this occurs because I've seen it firsthand multiple times. Now, I'm not saying don't have a 9-to-5 job or anything like that. All I'm saying is that I think everyone should look at adding additional revenue streams whenever they can on the side. Leave your job as your main income. If you're going to stick to your job, leave that as your main income and start developing, different side hustles or developing a different business on the side so that it's starting to bring you money as well. And it doesn't have to require a lot of work. Just take it slow. Take it one step at a time. Don't think that next month you're going to be making another $5,000 on top of your already existing income, because it doesn't work like that. Developing multiple income streams takes time, takes patience. Now, the best strategy to building another income stream is very simple. Stick to one at a time. Build one income stream and then build it up as much as you can until you can automate it, hopefully, and then move on to the next one, and then move on to the next one. Because like I said in the beginning, the average millionaire has 7 different income streams coming in every single month, right? Some people have 5, some people have 10, some people have 15, some people have way more, right? But they all started with one, and they build up one at a time. Once you have a ton of money, you can build multiple income streams at the same time. But when you're just starting out and you're dedicating more so your time, you need to build one. Solely focus on that one additional income stream that you're trying to do and trying to build, and then move on to the next one once that one's built up. Okay, so that's the best strategy that you can follow when it comes to adding additional income streams. Let me use myself as an example. Okay, so I had my Amazon wholesale business be my main source of income, my single source of income for a very long time, right? I built that up and I solely dedicated every waking moment that I had on my Amazon wholesale business. I think if I hadn't done that, I wouldn't have been able to build it up to what it is today with the limited resources that I had starting out. Once I felt super comfortable with the Amazon business that I had grown, and I felt super comfortable operating it, and I felt like I knew pretty much everything that I needed to know, I wanted to introduce additional income streams, not only because I wanted my income to be more secure, but also because I wanted to have more money to invest back into my business. Like I've said before, I have a mortgage, car payments, family, all these expenses that take money away from the business and don't allow me to reinvest everything. So I wanted to, add additional income streams and grow that wholesale business even more. So that's when I introduced YouTube, and YouTube is a great example of a side income that you can develop, but it takes a lot of time because I didn't monetize my YouTube channel for 6 months. I made $0 just on AdSense from YouTube for 6 months. But what I did was I introduced a course. After I started posting a bunch of videos and started growing a following, a lot of people wanted to learn from me. So in order to teach all of them, I created a course. That course became a second revenue source for me. And if you do consider starting a YouTube channel, even if you have a small following, people are still going to want to learn from you because they vibe with you, right? They like your style. They like the way you teach. They like the way you break things down, whatever it may be. Some people vibe with me, some people vibe with somebody else, okay? So even though that you have a small following and you're interested in growing a YouTube channel, Don't let that deter you. All right, so after doing YouTube for about 6 months, I was able to monetize my channel and start making money off of AdSense, which is just the ads that you see before the video, during the video, or after the video. Okay, so that is now an additional income stream that is starting very small because it makes me a couple $100s a month, and it's going to grow over time. But that is the third income stream that I'm developing now, because I want to grow this channel to much more than it is right now. As the channel grows, that income stream will develop as well. Now, after being on YouTube and having the course, there are certain softwares that I really believe in, that I really enjoy when it comes to building a wholesale business. And I think it's very critical to building your wholesale business in a more streamlined way. And those softwares I'm an affiliate for. I offer people a big discount on softwares that I think are very, very valuable. And it's a win-win for everybody, right? I get my affiliate commission and they get a big discount when they sign up, right? So now those affiliate commissions are making me a couple $100s a month. And that's an additional income stream. But it starts very small and then it grows over time. And now I'm looking at introducing another income stream in the very near future. But the reason I use myself as an example is because all of these revenue streams that now I'm starting to grow, here and there, they took a lot of time. My Amazon business took a ton of time to really grasp what I was doing and grow it properly. My YouTube channel took a long time to grow. My course took a long time to grow, and it's still growing. And these affiliate commissions took a long time to grow, and they're still gonna grow, right? But it's all about the time that you invest. But if something were to happen to my course or something were to happen to my commissions, I still have my Amazon business bringing me monthly recurring, very predictable income. Okay, and that's the goal. You want to be able to diversify your income, set up a portfolio of multiple different revenue streams so that if something happens to one, you're still okay. And then you can start developing another one down the road. But if you only rely on one, then you live and die with that one stream of income. Okay, so set up a portfolio of multiple income streams, develop them over time, start with one, and then develop that one and then move on to the next. The last thing that you want to do is start trying to make money with 5 different things at the same time, because it's not going to work, right? Solely focus on one. And then from there, move on to the next one. Remember, everyone starts with one stream of income and then they build it from there. All right, guys, so since you stayed until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a very easy additional income stream that you can start today. Now, my students have had access to this since the start of my wholesale course, but that's affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, but specifically my course. So I only open this up to my students because I want to give them the most opportunity possible to make money. And I offer a very, very generous affiliate commission. If you don't believe me, just ask one of my students. I offer a very, very generous affiliate commission because I want my students to make money any way that they can, both growing their wholesale business and then also affiliate marketing my course, because it's a win-win for everybody, right? Win for me because I get another sale, and it's a win for them because they get a juicy commission and they get to grow their wholesale business at the same time. Now, affiliate marketing my course will not only help you make an additional income stream by having those affiliate commissions, but it will also teach you, the wholesale model. You can start building your business that way. You can essentially get the course entirely for free with just a few affiliate commissions, and it's very easy to get those with what I'm going to tell you in a little bit. Now, if you are interested in that, then make sure to join the Wholesale Underground down below, and you will have access to not only the course, but to becoming an affiliate. Now, you do have to join the Wholesale Underground to be able to affiliate market the course. And the reason I do that, and I went back and forth on whether I wanted to open it up to everybody or just stick it to the students, but I stuck with just sticking to my students because they've already gone through the course. They know what's in the course, and they can offer some real insight on whether that course helped them, whether they enjoyed the mentorship, whether they got what they wanted out of the course, right? So they can give a real honest opinion on that course because they've been inside of it. They know what's in it. They know the quality of the work. They know the information's good. They know the mentorship's legit, and they know that they always have access to me whenever they want. Now, the reason I say this is a very easy way to make additional income is because if you go on YouTube and you type in Marvin Leonard course review or the Wholesale Underground course review, you'll find 0 results, right? You're only going to find videos of me. No one's created a review of the Wholesale Underground yet, right? So if you're the first one or you have the best quality video, then you're going to be above everybody else, and you're going to be getting those affiliate commissions because I'm going to start running ads to my course very soon. And what are people going to do once they start seeing my face pop up all the time? They're going to go and look up a course review to see what's in the course, to get some real feedback from a real person about that course, right? And I already have a few affiliates, and I've already paid out multiple commissions to those affiliates. So if you want to jump into the Wholesale Underground course, learn about Amazon wholesale, one of the simplest business models that are online today, and also have an additional way of making money at the same exact time, potentially getting that course entirely for free, then just make sure to join the Wholesale Underground and you'll be on your way. Not very many courses offer an affiliate commission like I do, and that's because, like I said, I just want to give my students the opportunity to make the most money that they can. All right, guys, but that's the video. That's why it's so important to have an additional income stream, and also a very easy way for you to start developing an additional income stream yourself, actually two if you join the course. But it is very, very important. Don't solely rely on one income stream because you're setting yourself up for failure. All right, guys, so like always, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you did. Check down below in the description for all these resources, my Facebook, my Instagram, all that stuff. And if you guys want to know the 5 steps that you need to follow to make your first $10,000 doing Amazon wholesale, then make sure to watch the video on the screen, and I will see you guys in the next video.